Hello my friend, now we'll learn how we can disable removable storage device from Windows. Simply we have two methods for disable mass storage on the computer. First method with group policy, and the second method using registry, Windows registry. Okay, now I will start with regedit registry, disable mass storage using registry. Simply go to search bar in the button, type run, enter, then type regedit. Okay, enter. Yes. Okay, then look at HKey local machine, system. Okay, then go to current control set, services, then search for USB store. Okay, USB store. Now in the right pane, look at start, double click, then change their value from 3 to 4. Okay, 4, that's mean disable mass storage. When you finish, click OK. That's it. Now close, restart your computer and check that mass storage will disabled. To re-enable the mass storage, same steps, and change the start in the right pane to 3 again. Okay, that's it. This is the first step, the first method. The second one, my friends, go to run again and type gpedit.msc, gpedit.msc, then enter. Okay, now in the computer configuration, look at administrative templates, then go to system, then go to removable storage access. Okay, in the right pane, look at removable disk deny read access. As you can see, double click. Okay, click enabled, then apply. Okay, now we have disabled the removable mass storage. If you want to enable the removable mass storage again, go and do the same steps and click disabled for or not configured for this removable disk deny read access. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.